Today, I'm going to show you 5 hidden SimpleKPI features you might have missed. First up is Data Users. Head over to the Users tab and add a data user from the dropdown. Here's what's cool. These don't have to be people. Create data users for properties, products, or any items you want to attach KPIs to. Say you're tracking rental income for different properties. Instead of separate KPIs for each property, just create data users for each one. Assign the same rental income KPI, and SimpleKPI keeps everything organized automatically. Number 2 is adding notes to entries. On the Data tab, choose Single Entry View, then click the Notes icon to add context that explains your data. These notes show up on dashboards and reports too, so when sales spike from a promotion or dip from a system issue, everyone knows why. Third is chart embedding. Instead of sharing an entire dashboard, grab specific charts and embed them anywhere. Your website, internal portals, client reports. Just select your chart, hit share, generate the embed code, and paste it wherever you need it. Simple as that. Fourth is dashboard cycling in presentation mode. Perfect for wall monitors where you can set your dashboards to automatically rotate at whatever interval you want. Your team gets a constantly updating view of all your key metrics without anyone having to manually switch screens. Finally, chart narration. Click the narration icon on any chart to add explanatory text that provides context beyond the numbers. Explain trends, highlight insights, or give background info that helps viewers actually understand what they're looking at. There you have it, 5 super helpful hidden features: data users for flexible tracking, notes for context, chart embedding for targeted sharing, dashboard cycling for automated displays, and narration for better storytelling. Try them out and see which ones work best for you.